the true goal. Hence, the purpose of the holy life does not consist in acquiring alms, honor, or fame, nor in gaining morality, concentration, or the eye of knowledge, that unshakable deliverance of the heart. That verily is the object of the holy life. That is its essence. That is its goal. And those who formerly in the past were holy and enlightened ones, those blessed ones, also have pointed out to their disciples this selfsame goal, as has been pointed out by me to my disciples. And those who afterwards, in the future, will be holy and enlightened ones. Those blessed ones also will point out to their disciples this selfsame goal, as has been pointed out by me to my disciples. However, disciples, it may be that after my passing away, you may think, gone is the doctrine of our master. We have no master anymore. But you should not think, for the law and the disciple, which I have taught you, will, after my death, be your master. The law be your light, the law be your refuge. Do not look for any other refuge. Disciples, the doctrines which I have advised you to penetrate, you should well preserve, well guard, so that this holy life may take its course and continue for ages, for the weal and welfare of many, as a consolation to the world, for the happiness, weal, and welfare of heavenly beings and men. The end. Now, of course, the light beings, even if they are, the Devi, even if they are without free will, you could say, they're pleased that the consciousness and the deeds thereof are on the right. And also, if you are a believer in a path, you want it for others. That's why people take to social media and stuff. And yeah, I was a little late for the social media. I really don't want to be on social media for social media. So excuse me if I don't want to chit chat in any comments or privately or whatever. But when it's part of your mission, that's why it's like I don't do blogs on farming or hunting or something. Well, you're supposed to be careful about your handling weapons on the internet, because it's like, no, it's not inciting. And honestly, a lack of safety, the guns they're trying to outlaw, a lack of safety training is responsible for more deaths than the handful of mass shootings by a particular type of gun. Mass shootings are usually, but with handguns and stuff like that. But and anyways, there's a consciousness, and the consciousness is what drives the either crime or getting along, or whichever side you're going to take. The consciousness is what drives it, what you're doing with your consciousness. And of course, if you realize you're not your consciousness, it does not negate the importance of the rest of it.